So I recently picked up this toy from Australia. It is a bubble machine which you need to construct together and it spits out bubbles. Since I'm a fan of science, I decided to try it out. And here are all the parts, hidden in this blue box. There are holes at the back of the box, and these are supposed to be used for constructing all the pieces together, kinda like Lego. Last time I reviewed the toy, I did not follow the instructions at all. So this time I'm actually gonna follow it, because I actually want to try it out. So here are all the parts, and it's not that much, but whatever, let's just get to building. Okay, now let's actually get started. After building, your toy should look something like this. Yeah, there are many wires and the pictures in the instruction manual was pretty small, but it was still fun. Now to get some batteries. After putting the second battery in, the machine did not turn on. That's not very good. Well, until I found out I was an idiot. The machine's actually really loud and it kept vibrating. Now since I don't have any bubble solution, I'm gonna have to make my own. So okay, the machine kept vibrating all over the table and there were not many bubbles. And try some lame slow motion videos that was super blurry. Okay, that's enough. This assembly was actually harder because there was so much soap everywhere in my room. And when I was trying to disassemble the container where all the soap was held, I just had to be really careful because I didn't want to spill water everywhere and ruin the whole machine. But in the end, I still succeeded.